With IPL 2025 set to resume, here's looking at Mumbai Indians' playoff chances in the ongoing edition. MI are currently placed 4th on the points table with 14 points, having registered 7 wins and 5 losses thus far. Their first fixture upon resumption is against Delhi Capitals at the Wankhede on 21st May. The 5-time champions then play their final league game against Punjab Kings in Jaipur on 26th May. 2 wins from as many remaining games will ensure MI of a playoff spot, but losses in both will get them eliminated. With 1 win, MI can still qualify with 16 points, but will have to depend on a few other results to go their way. Their superior net run rate does give them an advantage, but for a top 2 finish, things get a bit tricky. To qualify as top 2, MI need to finish with 18 points. Hope PBKS don't go past 17 and at least one of GT and RCB finish at 18 or lower, with NRR then tipping them ahead of the rest.